Find the value of 2012 plus 945 plus 63 minus, please turn off your microphone again, minus 1945 minus 12 plus 37. So that there are many ways to do this one. You can just add all the additions first. So 2012 plus 945 plus 63 plus 37 minus 1945 minus 12. Okay, so you can do this or you can also do pairing. You can subtract 2012 minus 12. That's 2000. And then if you add 63 and 37, that is 100 minus 945 minus 1945 plus 2,945 minus 1,945, that's 1,000 plus 100. The answer is 1,100. Next, number 2. Find the value of 9 plus 98 plus 987 plus 9876. So this is actually very easy. You can do direct addition or you can do this. 9 is 10 minus 1. 98 is 100 minus 2. 987 is 1,000 minus 13. 9876 is 10,000 minus 124. So you can do this as well. Or you can also directly add na lang. So 9876 plus 987 plus 98 plus 9. So you can do this. Either this or this, you will get the same answer. So let's choose this one. So 6 plus 7, 13. 22, that's 30. 7, 18, 27. 19, 10. The answer is 10,970. You follow?
Yes po.
Next. Miss Red is buying stationery at the shop. She used half of the total to buy an auto pencil and then spent half of the remaining balance to buy a piece of rubber. Now, she had $4 left. How much did she have originally? So, itong $4, that is half of the remaining balance. So, after buying the auto pencil, she had $8. And this $8 is half of the total money. So, originally, Miss Red has $16. Next. There are 23 children queue up a row. Ming stands on 13th, counting from the front. What is his place counting from the back? So if Ming is 13th from the front, then how many students are behind him? So that would be 23 minus 13. So there are 10 people behind Ming. Therefore, his place is 11 from the back. You are asked for his place. You are not asked for the number of students behind him. His position, you are asked for the position, not the number of students behind him. So your answer should be 11. Next, find the value of 11 plus 13 plus 15 until 39. Now, this is an arithmetic sequence, right? Arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 2. If you add this, sum of an arithmetic sequence is just the average times the number of terms. The average is just the last number plus the first number divided by 2. The number of terms is how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 numbers. 39 plus 11, that's 50. 50 divided by 2, that's 25. So that's 25 times 15. The answer is 375. Is this clear? How about the others? Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's proceed to the next number. The school buys 11 boxes of colored chalks. The number of white color one is 4 times as that of the color one. How many boxes of chalks? Huh? Wait lang. I think the translation is wrong. Is this the question in your class marker? Ay, in your, in your...
Yes.
For a while lang ha. What number is this again?
Okay po, sir. Coach.
Wait for a while.
Coach, how many questions do we have?
30. Okay, so the correct translation of the question is this. For a while. Okay, so this is the correct translation. The school bought 11 boxes of colored chalk. The number of boxes of white chalk is 4 times the number of colored chalk. How many chalks did the school buy in total? So yung white daw is 4 times the colored chalks, which is 44. So 11 plus 44, the total number of boxes is 55. Yes, Enzo, you have a question? Okay, next. According to the following pattern, find the value of the next number. You have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the common pattern here is just multiplying by 2.
Second answer.
So the next term is 16 times 2, which is 32.
Teacher, can I-
Very
Teacher,
easy.
what's the answer for number 6?
This one,
Yes.
55.
Thank you.
This one, Chung is now practicing handwriting to write A, B, C, D, D, E, F in order. If he wrote 45 sets of this, how many D does he write? So 45 of this times in every repetition, you only have 2. So 45 times 2, the answer is 90. Do you understand?
Yes, pa.
This is very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Questions are gonna get easy at this point.
Next. Miss Red writes 4 Chinese writing brush words on first day. The number of Chinese words of the day is one more than that of the previous. Now she writes for 7 days. How many Chinese writing brush words are there? So Miss Red started on the first day, 4. On the second day, 5. Third day, fourth day, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth day, sixth day, seventh day. And then just add. That's just 14 for this one. 14, 14. The answer is 49.
Excuse me, teacher. Can I picture number 8?
Can you what?
The previous one.
The previous one. Can I picture the previous?
Okay. Actually, you will be sent, ano man, you will be sent a video recording of this. So you can review. So the previous one, ito,
Number 8.
is this 8? Or ano ba to? Anong number? What number is this?
9.
So, this one.
8? Yes.
This is just 16 times 2.
Okay.
A common factor of 2.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's only just for fun.
All right. Let's proceed.
I thought only 2 questions.
There are 43 students in class. Each student will make paper flower. 25 students did red and 34 students did yellow.
Teacher,
How many students? Please turn off your microphone. Apollo, sit down. How many students are there who make both red and yellow? So what you need to do here is just add 25 for red, 34 for yellow, and then subtract the number of students. 25 plus 34 is 59 minus 43. The answer is 16. There are 16 students who made both red and yellow colors. Next, Red and Ying divided 5 packs of candies. There are 20 candies in each pack. How many candies can each person get? So 20 candies, and there are 5 packs. So a total of 100 candies. And this 100 candies divided by 2 people, Red and Ying, therefore each person will get 50 candies. Very easy. Next, the number of red sugar is 12 packs less than of the white sugars. the number of red, I'll just write red for R for red and W for white, okay? So the number of red is the number of white minus 12 because it's 12 less than of white. Now, given that the number of packs of white sugar is 4 times of red, how many packs of red sugar are there? So this W here is just the same as this W. So I can replace that with this value. So I have R is equal to 4R minus 12. Now, transposing R here and minus 12 to the other side, you will have 4R minus R equals 12. 4 R's minus R's, 3 will be left. So R is 12 divided by 3. The answer is 4. There are 4 red sugars. And for the number of white sugars, that would be just 4 times 4. That is 16. So there are 16 whites. The number of reds is 4. The question is, how many packs of red sugar and white sugar are there? So you're asked for the total. 16 plus 4, the answer is 20. You need to get the sum of the two since you are asked for the numbers of red and white sugar. So that's total. Next, according to the pattern, find the value of A. Okay, as you can see, the number here on the lower left is just the sum of the two numbers on the top. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 2 plus 9, that's 11. 3 plus 5, that's 8. That's 7 plus 3, so the number here should be 10. Now, to get the value of A, the number on the right, bottom right, is just the product of the two numbers here. 2 times 3, that's 6. 9 times 11, 99. 5 times 8, that's 40. So 3 times 10, the value of A is 30. Very easy. This clear? Any questions? All right, next. According to the following pattern, find the value of the 2014th number. We have 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25, and so on. Now, 1 here, that's actually 1 squared. Or that's just 1 times 1. 4 is just 2 times 2. 9 is just 3 times 3. 16 is 4 times 4. 25 is 5 times 5. So if you are asked for the 2014th number, that's just 2014 times 2014. So 2014 times 2014, the answer is 4,056,196. That's just simple multiplication, guys. Okay?
Coach, what number
Next.
are you?
That is number 14. Is this clear, everybody? Do you have any questions before we proceed to the next number? Questions?
No question.
Clarifications? Okay, then let's proceed to the next number. What is the 99th bead given this pattern? So the pattern is donut, donut, white, three blacks. Donut, donut, white, three blacks. So that's the pattern. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 repeating terms. So just divide 99 by 6. That's 16, remainder 3. So remainder 3, that means you will stop on the third term. 1, 2, 3. So the 99th feet is a white circle. Clear? Any questions?
No questions. None pa.
Okay. Let's proceed. A caterpillar grows up from baby status to adult status. It will grow up 1 centimeter, so 1 unit, one time every day. 5 days can grow up to 20 centimeters. How many days are required to grow up 5? Right, I'll just get the correct translation for this for a while. Okay, here's the correct translation, guys. Okay, so a caterpillar grows from a larva to an adult. It doubles in size every day and reaches 20 centimeters in 5 days. How many days will it take to grow to 5 centimeters? So this is the correct translation, okay? Now, so 20 centimeters is the length at 5 days. So 4 days, that would be 10 centimeters, correct? Because it doubles man every day. So half of 20 is 10. So on 3 days, that would be 5 centimeters. So the answer is 3 days. Clear?
I have
Is
a
this?
question.
Oh yes. What was that? Cashton. Yes.
20 divided by 5 is 4, right? How come it's 10?
Isn't 4 times 4 16?
No, you're not dividing by 4. You're just dividing by 2.
Oh,
Divide by 2 because the length doubles every day.
mhm.
So after before it got 20 centimeters, it was 10, right?
Oh, okay.
Yes, Enzo.
Teacher, how do you know na tama yung translation?
I don't worry. Don't worry sa exam, it will be translated correctly man. Eto kasi for practice lang.
Ito kasi hindi sinabi double eh.
Sige lang. As long as you get the gist of the topic, okay lang? Okay na. Is that okay na, Enzo? Clear na? Don't worry about the exam because
Yes, sir.
the exam will be translated correctly, man. We have checkers for that. I mean, they have checkers for that. All right.
Teacher, how does it become 5 centimeters?
What do you need? This one?
Yeah,
What's half of 10?
5.
No. That's 5.
Yeah, but how about before 3 days?
Why would you go to before 3 days when you are only asked up to 5 centimeters?
Oh,
Because in 2 days, you will become 2.5 centimeters. And one day, we're going to be 1.25.
Yeah. You are only up, but you don't need to go beyond 5 centimeters, right? Because you're only asked for 5 centimeters. So don't complicate things. Okay, Michaela?
okay.
At least I know decimal.
All right, next. By completing the following puzzle, what number should be placed in A? This is actually very, I know. So, for this number, you just need to, you just need to get values of of the numbers here. Just do trial and error, but you need to be very careful. Okay? So your hint here is this. This is your hint. Your units digit is 2. So what number should I multiply to 6 to get a unit digit of 2? I can multiply that by 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? Is that clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now, let's look for the values of these numbers here. So we can try to, let's say 5. 2 and 5. When you multiply 256 times 12, what will you get? That is 2 times 6, that's 12, carry 1. 2 times 5, that's 10. 11, carry 1, that's 5. 1 times 6, 6, 5, and 2. That's 2, 7, 0, 3. So A can be 3. Pero, look, so 5, 1, 2, so 5 is 1 is here, but 8 is not here. Oh. 8 is not there. So let's try to have 8 there. Then let's make this 8. So let's make it 286. So 286 times 12. So you follow the same, ano? So that is 286. And then you will get 3, 2, 7, 3. So A is still 3. Okay, so either way, the value of A is 3. Yes, Cassandra.
286 times 2 equals 572, not 512.
Okay, sorry. Hindi naman. Okay, so this is 3. And this is 4. Either way,
All the way to 3.
either way, the value of A is 3. Okay? Next. How many multiples of 7 are there between 30 and 71? Let's
Can
just
I
count.
take the teacher?
So
Teacher,
30
can I
and
take a picture?
of what? Yung kanina?
Yes. Yes po.
Okay, wait. Here.
Thank you.
All right. Next. How many multiples of 7 are there between 30 and 70? So, let's just count. So you have 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very easy.
Why is it
Next.
44? Why is it 44?
What?
Why is it 44?
That's 49.
Oh, I thought that was a 4.
Is 44 a multiple of 7?
No. No.
Okay, next. With 2, 5, 10, 15, and 25, which number is a multiple of 2 and a multiple of 5? So, multiple of 2, meaning it's an even number. So, an even number that is divisible by 5. That's 10. Next. Now, sister buys some oranges and 10 apples back home. After eating 4 oranges and 2 apples, the number of oranges and apples will be the same. How many oranges did sister buy? So this is for the oranges. This is for apples. There are 10 apples and there are a no number of oranges. Let's say n. After eating 2 apples, that's 8. After eating 4 oranges, that's n minus 4. They are equal. So n minus 4 is equal to 8. Therefore, n is 12. There are 12 oranges to begin with. Clear? All right. Okay, let's have a break. Let's have a 10-minute break. You can go to the CR, eat your snacks, drink water. Just be back after 10 minutes.
Okay pa.
Mom. I'm back, Phew. I'm telling teacher that there's
Okay, let's continue.
Coach Ray was spamming.
Next, from first floor to third floor, it requires to walk 36 steps. If the number of steps is the same between each floor, how many steps are there first floor to sixth floor? So, 1, 2, 3. So first floor to third floor, that's 36. So N and N, the total is 36. So how many steps would it require for you to go from one floor to another? That would be 18. So 18, 18 here, 18 and 18. So that's just 18 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 90. Next, how many rectangles are there below? Do you know how to do this? So in order for you to solve this, we can do,
Teacher,
yeah,
one plus Teacher, everyone was spamming earlier in the chat.
Yeah, it was
just
Ray.
ignore.
1 plus 2 plus 3 times 1, 4. I forgot. Row times.
Okay, sige, we can do this manually. So if you count this manually for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The 13 plus this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have the combination of three rectangles. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then combination of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go to combination na pa-horizontal. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, plus 6. And then ito, 1, 2, 3, That's 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, and then 2, and then 3. Just a few more. We have this one and 2, and then we also have yung sa small rectangles. We have 1, and then 2, and then finally, the entire thing, you have 1, and then 2, and then 3. The total is, excuse me,
54.
so 13 plus 9, 22, 29, 33, 39, 42, 46, 49, 57. Okay?
Teacher, were you forgetting the two twos?
I added the entire thing. Oh, wait lang. 2, 7. Wait lang ha. 13, 22, 29, 33, 39, 42, 46, 49, 51. 51 plus 5, 56 lang pala. Next. Anne classifies some drinks such as cans and bottles. Each box can be put 12 cans or 8 bottles. Those cans cannot mix up with those bottle ones inside the same box. Anne used 10 boxes in total. Each box is exactly full and the number of boxes for cans is 2 more than that box of for bottles. How many bottle drinks are there? Okay, so you have 10 boxes in total. And then the number of boxes for cans, C, is 2 more than the boxes for bottles. But you know, the number of boxes is 10. So itong C is just this C here. So 2 plus B equals 10. 2B equals 10 minus 2. 2B equals 8. Therefore, B is equal to 4. So if the number of boxes for bottles is 4, then the number of bottles for cans is 6. A total of 10. Now, how many bottles are there? You know that the number of boxes is 4, and for bottles, it can hold 8 bottles. So that's just 4 boxes times 8 bottles. The answer is 32. Next, there are 67 primary two candidates from Hong Kong to join Big Bebe finals. The number of candidates from China is 7 times and 24 more than of Hong Kong's. How many candidates are there in total? So 67, 7 times plus 24 more. So 67 times 7 plus 24, the answer is 493. So this is the number of candidates from China. So since you are asked for the total, 493 plus 67, the total number of candidates is 560. Clear?
Clear pa.
Clear,
Okay.
Coach Ike.
Next, by observing the following sequence, what should be the next number? What's the pattern here? Who can tell me the pattern? Anyone?
Oh, I think 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Coach, I think I got the pattern.
Yeah. Sige, tell me.
Okay, so one, 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 one. Wait, it's one plus. It's 1 plus 0 equals 1, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 4 is, yeah, 3. I know. Oh, I don't get the pattern.
Sige, try everyone. Yes, Dang Vang Kwang.
Uh, uh, One plus 7 equal 8. I don't know.
Okay, ganito. It's like this.
1, 2, 5,
So we have
10,
0.
8.
I'll explain. 1,
The difference.
so the difference here is 0, 2, 5, 10, 18, 31. The difference here is 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. This is a Fibonacci sequence. So the next the next one should be 21. 2 plus 3, that's 5. 3 plus 5, that's 8. 5 plus 8, that's 13. 8 plus 13. So the next one should be 21.
10.
So 21. So here should be 52.
Uli.
So 67 plus 52, the answer is 119. That is the next number. Next, Ming starts from home. He opens the door to walk 100 meters.
Teacher, the picture.
There.
Dish. Thank you.
So Ming starts from home. He opens the door to walk 100 meters, turns left to walk 100 meters, and then turn left to walk 100 meters. If the opening door is pointing at east, what direction is Ming now against home? So if this is home, so he walks two straight, this is east, and then turns left, and then turns another left. So Ming is now here. What direction is this from home? That's north. West? Why west?
Because that's the direction where Ming is facing.
Ming is at north, diba? North of home, not west. West is here, man, of the home. This is east. The answer is north.
The door daw po is pointing east.
Huh?
The door po is facing east.
Yeah, just the door. It did not say that that home is facing east. That's why we had, di ba? If this is your home, ano ba yung, what are the primary directions, di ba? If there, that's north. Here, that's east. That's why dito siya, Ming came out here. Because this is east. So after turning left, he's already at the north. Okay, next. A school is organizing sports day. The number of students joining race is 4 times that joining long jump. The number of students, okay, I'll just write for race R, tapos long jump L. The number of students joining the race is 4 times the number of long jump. or 66 more. So that is just R is L plus 66. Now, this is R, so they're equal. 4L is equal to this. 4L is equal to L plus 66. 4L minus L equals 66. 3L equals 66. Therefore, the number of students participating in the long jump is 22. Now, for the number of students who participated the race, that would be 4 times 22, which is 88. The question is, how many students joined the race? The answer is 88. Next, if 2 scorpions can exchange for 4 horses, so 2 scorpions, 4 horses. That means 1 scorpion is 2 horses. And then 1 horse is equivalent to 4 sheep. So 2 horses, that would be 8 sheep. Therefore, 1 scorpion can be exchanged with 8 sheep. Very easy. Next, according to the pattern, find the value of A. So what's the value of A? Now, the number here at the bottom right is just,
I know, teacher.
that is just, okay, let's start first at the bottom left. The bottom left numbers is the sum of the two numbers on top. So 4 plus 5, it's 9 here. Now, the number at the bottom right is just the sum of the products of these numbers. 1 times 2, that's 2. 2 times 3, that's 6. 2 plus 6, that's 8. 2 times 3, that's 6. 3 times 5, that's 15. 15 plus 6, we have 21. 3 times 4, that's 12. 4 times 7, that's 28. That's how we got 40. 4 times 5, 20. 9 times 5, 45. So A is 65. Yes, Dang Van Quang, you have a question?
No.
How about you, Cashton?
There's another way.
What?
Yes.
1 plus 3 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 times 4 is 40. 4 times 9 is 13. 13 times 5 is 65.
So the same answer. Okay. Next, for our last number, there is a glass of milk. Ming drinks half of cup, then adds the cup for full with water. He drinks half of the cup and adds water for full. Finally, he drinks all. Now, which liquid does he drink more? Milk, water, or equal? This is very obvious.
Milk.
Milk.
M.
Are you sure milk?
Equal.
It's water.
It's W.
It's water.
Yes,
Ganito siya.
teacher.
You have a glass that is, let's say, 100 ml. You have a milk, which is half of that, right? So your milk is 50. 50 ml. Now, you will add water up to full. So that would be another 50. And then he drinks half of the cup and adds water. You're adding another water. So plus another 50
Oh.
ml na water. And milk is as is. You did not add any amount of milk. So ang total, 50 lang ang milk and then 100 for water. So therefore, he drank more water than milk. Do you understand?
Teacher, isn't
Yeah.
that per ml is milk?
Wait.
What?
Milliliter.
Isn't
ml is milliliters.
isn't it 100 ml for milk?
M
Because
ml is milliliter. ML is milliliter po.
ml is milliliter, not milk.
no, I'm saying that
Wait, what does that mean? Does that mean the water mixed with the milk?
Yeah. Can we listen to Milo first? Milo Reyes. What was your question again?
why isn't it like milk is more because at the beginning it's a full glass of milk.
Full glass? Ay, okay.
It's a glass of
entire glass was filled with milk.
Okay, sorry. I did not notice this. Sorry. So originally, for the milk, there is 100 ml. Right?
Water. Kasi full water daw po, then adds the cup full with water.
Yeah, I know. So if there is 100 ml, then it's equal, right? Equal amount. If you base it to the amount of water that you added, half of cup, that's 50 ml, plus another half, another 50 ml. You did not add any amount of milk, so they're equal. It's EQ. Do you understand?
Teacher, someone was spamming and
Just
using
ignore. Do you understand this, everybody? Why they're equal? You just base your solution on the amount added.
Yes.
Originally, there's 100 ml of milk. So that's the total amount of milk. Remember that he finished drinking all of the liquids, right? He drinks all. So you just need to base on the initial amounts. So if there's a full glass of milk, that's 100 ml. Let's say that's the full. Now, if he consumed all of that, right? Because he drank all of it. Then, remember that he adds a cup that's full of water. That's half of cup. So that's 50 ml. That's half. And then he drinks half again and then adds another half. So a total of 100 ml of water has been added. So in total, he drank 100 ml of milk and 100 ml of water. So they're equal. Understood? All right,
Yes, pa.
that's it. We're done. Now, before we